Racing in the Derby. Looked a pretty tidy dispatch too, and one of the best away out towards the centre was our Unicorn, but not as quickly as Banesto, who's dived across from the extreme outside to be in front and on the rail at the post after a couple of 100 metres or so. Second placing going after them very quickly is the Western Australian Pennyweight Point, followed over on the inside by Tokyo Bow and then Balata out wide, and they were followed further back in the field by Bolter. Over on the inside was Ancient City, caught a little wide, Prince Standan. Further back as the speed drops off now, our Unicorn from Bombast, and they were followed by the Grey Super Sun. Obscenic was next, and then Tumble Home. Prince Iluka a bit deep, further back behind second last, and last of all two away Bohemian. Over the crossing, going to the 1800, which will lead them into the far side, and he lets Prince Standan roll along a little now, and he moves after Banesto to be within a length and a half. 4 lengths away to Pennyweight Point, restrained severely third. Over on the outside, Balata, a length and a half. Tokyo Bow, followed a length away by Bolter. Over on the outside, behind them, Ancient City, and back along the inside running was the Grey Super Sun from our Unicorn. They've strung out over 20-odd lengths. Further back in the field behind those then came Obscenic with Bombast out wide in the centre, Tumble Home. A couple then two over on the inside running now is the Hind. There's another one up on the outside of it. Pick it up in a moment. 2 lengths away. Last of all is Bohemian. As they move onto the side, that horse back second last was Prince Iluka. And now Banesto is trying to steal the Derby at the 1200 metre mark. He dashed away. Cliff Brown chasing his third successive South Australian Derby with Banesto is out about 6 in front. Second Prince Standan, third placing 3 lengths away Balata, and then a length and a half away to Pennyweight Point, has been ridden very quietly from Bolter. They were followed further back by Ancient City, Tokyo Bow. Back there with them Super Sun running home from Tumble Home, and then came Bombast and our Unicorn Obscenic, followed by Prince Iluka. The Hind is a mile behind at the moment, and last of all 3 away Bohemian, but it's Banesto in the Derby about to turn for home at the 600. 4 in front, coming after him is Prince Standan. Now they're starting to shake them up back in the field. Going to third, Balata, and around the outside now Bolter, followed then by Ancient City and Super Sun, Tokyo Bow. As they turn for home now, and out wide on the track, Prince Standan is after Banesto. Into third placing Bolter, followed by Ancient City. Well back is Pennyweight Point. He's not travelling at all well. 200 out Banesto, grabbed by Prince Standan down the outside, and joining in Bolter. This could be a big upset. Bolter's raced up to Prince Standan. Super Sun to third. The Hind is flying home when the race is all over, but Bolter takes it out. Bolter wins the Derby. Second placing Prince Standan. Third placing Super Sun. Fourth the Hind. And then came Tumble Home, our Unicorn. They were followed further back by Bohemian, and then came Tokyo Bow, Bombast. Further out in the track then was Ancient City. Pennyweight Point has put in a shocker. Further